Hi guys, Omarete Vilato here, the Basement Production. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to remove a battery from a Ford Escape 2013. Yes, Ford Escape 2013. This battery was put in that particular socket. I believe it was to avoid battery theft, to secure the battery so nobody could steal it. Because believe me, it's very difficult to remove this battery. But after doing some research, some investigation, after doing my homework, I decided I'm gonna do it myself. And I'm gonna try to show you the steps that you need to do to remove this battery. Thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Okay, the first thing you need, guys, is a 5/8. 5/8 to be able to remove this stuff right here. One, make sure you don't lose this, okay? That's from the windshield, from the wipers. These are the caps that covers, I don't know if you could see it, the nut for the wipers. So this is what you have to remove, and then you remove the nuts. Make sure you don't lose this, okay? This will come out. Guys, this is a little bit crazy, but the windshield wiper was giving me a little bit of headache to remove it. So I went up coming up with another idea. I mean, I saw a video where the guy says that he was able to use his hands and remove it. So it was not as easy as it looks. But what I did was to make it easy, or not easy, to make it work. I grabbed one of these tools right here, this wrench, what you call it, and I yank it out, and it works. So let's do it. Let's see. See, it doesn't want to come out like that. Not a problem. I'm gonna close it like this. There we go. It came out. The whole stuff came out. So you can see, guys, the whole stuff had to come out. You see, the whole stuff had to come out. Now you have to be careful with this. When you remove this, you have to be careful. Okay, let's see. Got two screws, one in each side, one here and one here. You have to remove that as well. So let's remove it. Hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. This is the screw, one for one end. Now I'm going to remove this one right here, as you can see. Okay. Well, you got two more in the back. You got one more. You got two more in the back. I didn't see it, but yes, you got one more in the back, or two more in the back, which is on this side right here. You could see if someone tried to steal this battery, it's not gonna happen. It's very difficult to remove it. It's another screw right here. See this piece? The whole piece from the bottom come out as well. Now I'm gonna remove the battery. Guys, as you can see, that's where the battery is located. You see, I have to remove the whole area, the whole front area from the car. The whole front area. To be able to remove this battery. Just remove the screw right here, 1 and 2, which is in the back, and put a new battery. Yeah, I gotta do one more thing before I continue. Let's just remove the end cap. Back over here. End cap. It's a cap right here. You see that cap is like attached to this bottom plate. So you can see it. Just remove the cap from there. Slide the battery towards you. And there we go. That's the old battery out. All the battery is removed. There you have it, guys. This is the new battery. I'm gonna put it right here for now. Normally when you get a new battery, try to get this. You put it in each cap to avoid corrosion. To avoid, let me see, corrosion. There we go. Buy this, costs like $3. Okay? I'm gonna put the battery in there now. So you can see I'm installing the battery now. Very careful, you doesn't fall on your hands. Move the cables out of the way. There we go. The battery is there. I'm gonna show you something else. This battery comes with this stuff. It's a secure bracket. Make sure you put it back. That will secure the battery from moving from side to side. Okay. This is a little screw right here. This is a screw that goes there. Don't leave it hanging. I mean, this is nothing to it. It's just a little bit. I understand it's a little bit of effort, but hey, nothing is easy in life. You just gotta do it. They said you put this stuff in there to avoid corrosion. It's like a paste. You put it around the battery. Put it there, you know. That should be it. Now we're gonna put the one that goes where it's supposed to go, the red with the red and the green with the black. So I'm gonna connect this stuff right here. Like I said, it's like a connector. I go there. Simple as that. It's gonna drop nothing. This one go like this. I say it was gonna be easy, but it's nothing to it. I guarantee you that it's nothing to it, guys. It's nothing to it. Okay, guys, that's how you install a battery. Remove all those shells from here. As you can see, you got a new battery ready to go, already installed. See, the front was removed. That's what you need to do in order to replace that battery for a Ford Escape 2013. Remember, I'm working backwards here. Before you put everything back, make sure you test your battery, make sure it turn on, so like that you don't have to do double work. So before I continue, I'm gonna stop what I'm doing. I'm gonna go get my keys and I'm gonna turn my car on and double check the battery works before I put everything back together. Okay guys, got my keys. I'm gonna turn it on. Hopefully it's turned on, let's see. As you could see, you could hear it, work like a charm. No issues there. Battery replaced. Now I'm gonna put everything back the way it was. And we put in this piece, which is the top piece, that goes like this. Straightforward, guys. Put it correctly. Very straightforward, nothing to it. So you put it we tie in there. Now, so you remember the clips that I removed earlier. Those little clips, back where you took it from. Now we're gonna attach the reservoir for the brake fluid. Same method. Nothing to it, straightforward. Properly attached. That's good. What else? Okay, now guys, the most important thing, make sure you put your windshield wipe back way. Easy. Okay, let's put the other one. Easy. Done. You don't have to be an expert, guys. You just gotta try yourself. Just make sure you tight the screw properly. Not over tight, but make sure it's tight properly, and it should be just fine. don't forget the little caps. The little caps that goes on your screws. Put them back the way you get. The way you got them out. 1 and 2. Done. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share the videos. Leave your comment down below. What can I say? Thank you once again. Omarete Vilato, the basement production.